Okay guys, here's how I made my shuttle bus extended bumper. All nuts and bolts, no welding. Then I put a old truck bed box that I had laying around, painted it up, made it better. Got my 3500 Predator mounted on rails, and let me get under here and show you first how I did it. I used 1.5 by 1.5 inch square tubing. Then I bought 8 foot of 5-inch C channel and shoved it in between the other channels. Let me get under here so you can see. It's kind of hard to see here. I'm gonna get on my back. Okay. There's how the channel went in there. I had to cut around spots where the cab mounts were. Cut around there, slid in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. It's in about 20 inches. It sticks out more than it's in. But altogether, there's about 400, maybe almost 500 pounds on it. And there's the square tubing right here underneath. And I bolted. This is composite decking, old composite decking I had laying around. Let me try to make this video pretty quick. Then I screwed the box in here in 4 places. I had to move my license plate up because it was in the way. I mounted the Predator 3500 on rails because the 3500 has a couple of rails on the very bottom of it. I don't know if you can see it. This is a 1-inch square tubing. Then I strapped it down 2 places here, and I didn't want people to see that I had a generator here, so I made a little box over here. It just gets strapped down over the generator. When it runs, I lift it up like this. I'm going to try to get it on there right now with the phone in my hand, so you'll see a little junkiness happening for a while. Okay, let me do it. Lid, got the hinge. Of course, I don't want to shut it all the way now because it's running. That's how it looks when it's like that. Get it out of here like this. And what I do is I strap this around this way, and I strap it twice around this way. I may change that method, but that's what's going on over and out.